sunrise. It is a little after 6:10. I left camp at 6:07, although I'm technically still right by it because I was taking beautiful pictures of the lake because it's super pretty right now, as you can probably see. But yeah, boy, I wouldn't want to fall in that water right now. That water is cold to begin with. Now it's just pure freezing instant hypothermia. But today I was supposed to camp at the trail junction for Bear Creek, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to push 12 miles instead of 5.8 and get to Quail Meadows and be 1.4 miles from my objective tomorrow, which means I can sleep in if I want, although I probably won't sleep in that long if I do. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to getting back to civilization and stuff. But yep, so hiking now, and gonna try and make some good time. I really don't want to be this close to the doggone lake edge. Whoever made this trail, goodness, like seriously, did it have to be right by the doggone edge? Anyway, well, that's interesting. That's a big footprint. Of course, I don't have my flashlight on me now, so I don't know. It's probably a boot. I'm gonna assume that's a boot. See, I have to go up and around here because they have not been maintaining this crap at all. So, and it's kind of hard to get through those trees. Oh boy, I don't like this. This is sketchy. All right. I thought to myself that if somebody came up and I went to scare them as they were on the trail, they'd probably fall in the lake and then be really pissed. Ooh, what a sunrise. Anyway, I believe this is a Bear Creek crossing. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, I actually do remember this too. I was remembering a portion of the trail earlier that I was just coming down, and I could remember it from the horseback trip my mom and I went on. Wow, I think I can actually cross the dry. Not there. Step on man, Lord on shoe. Oh, yeah, I think I can make it dry. It's not very deep, that's for sure. I'm gonna lengthen my poles. Oh Lord, don't let me get wet. All right. Hope that thing definitely moves. Okay, here's the tricky part. Oh. Okay. Alright. No, no. Okay. I've almost made it. Oh, I've almost got it made. Oh, wait. No. I need to step here with my left foot. Then with the right. Then with the left. With the left again. Right. Hey, look at that. Dry crossing. How about that? Thank you, God. Unless this isn't the one that I'm concerned about, but who knows? I might cross it again. I don't know. But yeah, it's really not bad. When I was on the horseback, it was a lot worse. I don't remember exactly how deep, but I do remember lifting my feet up on the horse because I didn't want them to get wet as the horse went through. Sweet. Didn't have to take off my pants or anything. And here's the junction. PCT. Seven Gables Lakes. I can lower these now. It's a piece of cake. That was actually not the worst crossing I've had. I've actually had worse on this trip. Way worse. Easy trail right now, but that will change. Yeah. Hickey Mud. That's gross. If it looks that bad, people will go around. And indeed they have. Thank you, horses, for making it that bad. Yeah, oh jeez. You've got to be kidding me. It's like a marsh. That's not good. Oh boy. Let's try this way. Actually, let's try this way. That looks better. Ugh. Oh. Step on this branch. Jeez. This crap is gonna suck me right in. Almost couldn't get my poles out. So I'm at the junction where I would have stayed the night, but I'm gonna keep going. I don't see any campsites right here anyway. That way does go to Lake Edison, but it's through a different trail, and I would actually skip out in part of the JMT. And since I am trying to complete it, I'm going to be heading towards Silver Pass, and then at Quail Meadows is where I plan to set up camp. But scenery has been nice, but nothing like real remarkable, which is why I haven't filmed much. We're taking a lot of pictures, but I mean, it's mainly just forest and rock and dirt and green plants. Nothing nothing super remarkable. But when I see something noteworthy, I will of course show you. Until then,